Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green apple seeds. First, select fresh green apples to ensure you get the best quality seeds. Carefully extract the seeds from the apple's core, making sure not to damage them. Next, rinse the seeds thoroughly under cool water to remove any remaining fruit pulp or sugars. Finally, dry the clean seeds completely on a paper towel before moving to the next step. Now, let's talk about stratification, a crucial step that mimics winter conditions. Place your dried seeds between two damp paper towels or in a small amount of moist peat moss. Put this into a sealed plastic bag or container. Store it in your refrigerator at about 40 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 6 to 10 weeks. This cold, moist period is essential for breaking dormancy and encouraging germination. Once your seeds have stratified and perhaps even started to sprout, it's time to plant them. Prepare small pots, about 4 inches in diameter, using a good quality, well-draining potting mix. Plant each sprouted seed about 1/2 inch deep into the soil. Gently cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and water them lightly. Remember to keep the soil consistently moist, but never waterlogged. Finally, let's discuss caring for your young apple seedlings. Ensure they receive plenty of sunlight, ideally at least 6 hours per day, from a sunny window or grow light. Continue to keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater. You can fertilize sparingly with a balanced liquid fertilizer every few weeks. After about 1 year of growth, your seedlings will be ready to be transplanted outdoors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.